In this video, we will tell you the 10 tips which, if you follow carefully, you could easily become a millionaire. Money is not a thing which comes to you because you have good luck. It's all up to you how smartly you work for it to accumulate it. Everyone has the opportunity to get rich, but they don't work hard for achieving it. Well, these tips which we will discuss with you now will make you rich without even doing extreme hard work. Watch this video till the end, or you may miss a major part. Now let's start. 1. You need a financial perspective. Before you can even begin to perceive chances, you must decide that being rich is your ultimate aim. Being in a good mood and believing in your own worthiness of money are components of the correct mentality. You need to be imaginative and creative to spot possibilities to boost earnings. Consider many avenues of profit in order to diversify your revenue streams and devise a strategy to amass wealth. With so many options, it could be difficult to know where to begin, adding to the first sense of complexity. Opportunities will present themselves, however, if you are intent on amassing wealth. 2. Gain insight into your feelings and ideas regarding money. Even if you think you know how your mind works when it comes to money, a deeper look might show you some startling things. What about giving this workout a go? Every time you make a purchase or a financial choice during the day, take a few moments to write down how you feel about it. Tell me what's on your mind. How do you feel about this? Ways to amass money? Everything is relative, so have an open mind. You could find that certain parts of your money are giving you more stress than you bargained for, or that a purchase you thought would make you happy ended up making you feel guilty. Spending money on yourself shouldn't be a constant pressure, but you should think about how your spending habits impact your emotions, ideas, and mental health. If you want to know more financial tips and tricks to get rich, then do press the subscribe button and also the like button. 3. Make an economic strategy. Establishing a budget is one of the most important steps toward financial independence. First things first, figure out what you want to accomplish financially. Gathering the information about your monthly expenses, savings, and needs might help you set realistic financial objectives. If you want to make a budget, you may use your pay stubs as a reference to see how much money you make each month. Making a budget is an important first step in improving your financial situation once you've calculated your cash flow. After that, you may calculate the exact amount you need to put away every month in order to achieve your objectives. The road to financial independence is best navigated with a well-thought-out strategy. 4. Develop a variety of revenue sources. Having a variety of sources of income is another way to get prosperous. This implies that you shouldn't rely only on your regular 9 to 5 work. You should also have a side gig or invest in stocks to supplement your income. The best case scenario is to diversify your revenue streams such that they are not dependent on one another. You should diversify your income streams so that you may continue to live comfortably in the event that your main source of income experiences a decline. Some potential side hustles that might bring in some extra cash for you are investing, renting real estate, selling old stuff, drop shipping, owning vending machines. 5. Consider becoming your own boss. You may take a leap of faith and start your own company. It is not easy to start your own company while also holding down a full-time job. Although the path may not be smooth, it will provide you the opportunity to work for yourself and earn some extra cash. Verify that your company's invoices and receipts are precise as well. If you keep good records, you won't have to worry about taxes later on. Finding out how people are now reacting to your product or service is the first step in beginning your own company. Next, look for a gap in the market where product development and distribution may need an upgrade. If you want to raise your income and become wealthy, starting a company is a risk you can't afford to take. 6. Try working side jobs. Getting a side hustle is another way to get money. If you already have another employment, you can accomplish this in your free time. If you're interested in becoming engaged in other initiatives, you may do that by searching online. To avoid wasting time and money on a side business that won't pay off, it's important to take stock of your talents before you launch. One option is to zero down on an existing idea you have, like creating a YouTube channel or blog. Although it may be challenging and time-consuming, a side hustle may be an additional source of money in addition to your regular employment. 7. Shrewdly invest in bonds and stocks. Investing in stocks and bonds is a terrific way to guarantee a passive income stream. Putting money into the correct stocks and bonds is crucial. That is why it is so important to look into businesses thoroughly before putting your money into them. You should also be aware of the number of years it will take for the market to rise or fall, the amount of money you will require, and the expected return on investment. If you put in the time and effort to choose the best stocks for your needs, you may increase your income substantially. One potential source of income you may investigate is this, which carries a high degree of risk but also offers a great degree of reward. 8. Strive to establish positive routines. Feel free to talk about your money. As an alternative, set aside some time every week to assess your financial situation. Draw attention to the places that need improvement and reward yourself when you achieve your goals. Staying away from an issue will never make it go away. Put your fears aside and deal with the problems head-on. Establish attainable goals for yourself and celebrate little victories along the way. Both your financial situation and your accomplishments did not spiral out of control suddenly. Therefore, it is essential to break them down into manageable chunks and reward yourself as you reach each milestone. 9. Create an endeavor-focused financial plan. Money worries are common among people. Despite popular belief, a budget need not be limited and restricted. With a flexible budget, you can still treat yourself every now and then without going overboard on your spending or failing to realize your boundaries. As a general guideline, you should pay off your expenses and obligations using half of your monthly income. Make sure to set aside 20% of your salary for paying off debt or saving. You are then free to do with the remaining 70% as you choose. If you're having trouble keeping to this pattern, it may be time to reevaluate your monthly expenses to cut out any extraneous ones. 10. Always keep gratitude in mind. Even if it's not enough to satisfy your desires, you should be thankful for what you have since it is what you have at the moment. Give thanks for the things that keep you afloat: a roof over your head, a job that pays the bills, a vehicle that gets you about, food in the fridge, etc. Until you learn to be content with what you have, there will always be methods to improve your financial situation and live a better life. That's all for today. Now you know all the tips and tricks that will make you rich this year. Hit the subscribe button below if you are not subscribed to our channel yet. We upload amazing financial videos daily which have made many people rich. Press the like button also if you love watching this video and learn something new from this video. This motivates us to make more amazing videos after doing deep research and studies. Share this video with all of your friends, relatives, family members, friends, and with all of your colleagues for them to learn and improve financially. Add a comment below if you are having any suggestions for us or if you are left with any queries in your mind. Most of the millionaires and multimillionaires have discussed these tips and tricks in their financial meetings. But most of the people, in spite of listening to these meetings and podcasts, just ignore it. At least you should follow these tips for 5 years to get rich. All the millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg and all others took investing seriously in their young age. That's why they are rich these days. They adopted some secret strategies which made them rich. They might discuss tips and tricks, but they never tell people about their strategies. But we have done a lot of research in understanding their strategies and the tricks they use to become rich. We found out a few of their strategies which could also make you rich if you follow. You may click on the video appearing on the right side to watch it. Thank you.